Let's create our first exercise in Creo Parametric. In this exercise, we'll learn to use the extrude to add material and extrude to cut. So open the Creo Parametric and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we'll create this two line. This line has 8 millimeters of length and this one has 25 millimeters of length. So open the Creo and go to sketch and select the right plane and press sketch here and select the sketch view and select a line, click here in the midpoint, make a line here and another line here. Press ESC in the keyboard and press ESC one more time. And we have the dimensions here. Move this a little bit. And double click here to change the dimensions. The distance here is 8 millimeters and here is 25. Okay. And now we will create the others 4 lines to create this profile. This line here has 100 millimeters of length and this one has 25. So select a line, click here in this point, make a line here, another line here. Okay. Press ESC in the keyboard. We have some dimensions here. But here, select this line, click with the left button here. And now select the length. The distance here is 25 millimeters. And the length of this line here is 100 millimeters. And press OK. We made this profile. Now press OK. We will extrude this. And the extrusion has 50 millimeters of length. So go to extrude, select this profile. And the type, select solid. The dip, move it, select here symmetric, the same dimension to the both sides of the plane. And the distance here is 50 millimeters. Press OK. We made this one. You can hide the planes here. Okay. Click in the plane and select hide, or select the plane and press Ctrl 8. Okay. And now we will create this hole. We have two options to create this hole. We can make this using the extrude to remove material or use the hole features. In this exercise, I will use the extrude to remove material, but in the other tutorial, I will teach you how to use the hole. Okay. So this hole here has 20 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters, and it is in the center of this body. Okay. So go to sketch and select the back face here and press OK. Active the sketch view here. And now select a circle. Make a circle here. This circle has 20 millimeters of diameter. So press ESC in the keyboard. And we have the reference here and the diameter. The diameter is 20 millimeters. The distance here 25, because the length of this body here is 50 millimeters. So 25 is the center. And the distance here is 55 millimeters. And press OK. And now we use this circle to remove material using the extrude. So go to extrude. And we needed to select the sketch, select this profile. Okay. And the type, select solid. And the dip here, you can use the 25 millimeters, that is the length of this body here, or you can select it through all. We will change the direction. Look that the direction is to the right side here. So click here to change the direction and select remove material and press enter in the keyboard and press OK. We made this hole. So here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.